This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carrie Lerner. Open house 10 to 12 on 6/20. Don't miss this lovely top floor with elevator access end unit in the highly sought after community of the Terraces at Riverwalk. This particular end unit location provides east to south to west exposures, so your home is always sunny and cheerful, and offers views of both the lake and the preserve. Watch seasonal fireworks from the comfort of your own home. Screened entry and large balcony overlooking the lake allow for tropical cross breezes from October to May. Ceiling fans in every room supplement the air conditioner to keep those energy bills down while allowing for cool comfort. Most of the flooring is hard surface ceramic tile or wood, making it durable and easy to care for. The kitchen has a long bar as well as breakfast nook, and miles of counter space. The versatile den/office located off the main living area has pocket doors giving privacy for guests. Primary bedroom boasts ensuite bath and dual walk-in closets. Massive amount of storage with a very large private outdoor storage closet just steps from your front door. Riverwalk has plenty of parking and your own assigned carport space. The Terraces at Riverwalk is a community loaded with leisure opportunities, from the huge pool and spa to the clubhouse with fully equipped gym, billiards room, game room, library, and function space with kitchen to host parties with friends and family. Located just off College Pkwy in Fort Myers and within walking distance to shopping and medical offices, and a short drive to the beaches of SWFL. This home is priced to sell with HOA fee under $500 per month. Don't miss out. Information is deemed accurate, but buyers should always perform their own due diligence. For more information, review the details below or contact Carrie Lerner at 603-548-8497.